We are doing a review on a new microphone kit. Not this baby here, but this baby here. Yeah, this is from a company called FULAIM and it's a VL1 wireless microphone series and it's a little bit different. It's been designed to work on a mobile phone. It will work on other devices, but they've designed it to also work on mobile phones. So it comes with a little adapter. So if you have a Type-C connection on your mobile phone, well, luckily enough, I do, you can actually plug this into it and it should work perfectly. We will be testing that as well. So with that, come over here and we'll do the unboxing. Right, let's get it out of the bag then. So it came in a box and then in a bag. Let's get it out of the way. That's that gone. So it gives you a little bit of information. You have a VL1U and a VL1UR. We had the 1U, and the way you can check is, look on here, so that is ticked. And the difference is that the one we got comes with one transmitter and the other model comes with two transmitters, and they both connect to that little device there. So it says radio tips, smart connection, IIS data protocol, adaptive noise reduction, built-in lithium battery, and ADC DAC, 48 kilohertz. So quality of sound should be pretty good. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. I'm not going to read all this out, so if you want to read it, I will pause it right now. And let's get her open. It even tells you where to open it, so it says open. So, right, okay, so it's a little magnet thing. See that? Yeah. Right, so we have instructions. I will read them later. I'm going to move them out of the way. Nice bit of padding there, by the way. Oh, isn't that tiny? That's smaller than what I thought it was going to be, actually. That is tiny. But, doesn't need to be big. It just needs to work. So, antenna, mic. That is it. Display and power on. I'm not sure what that one is. Probably something to do with the menu settings or something. So, FULAIM VL1. And we have LCF and off. I think we have to leave it in the LCF mode when it's connected, maybe. I'm not 100% sure because I haven't read the instructions yet, but I will do it and I will tell you how it's got to be set up. There you go. Yeah, very nice. It's very light, doesn't feel like, you know, it's made of metal or anything, it just feels like plastic, but as long as it works. So this is the receiver, so you plug this into your phone or tablet or whatever other device you have. It's USB Type-C, like I said earlier. So there you go. And the way I understand it, you don't need a battery in this. The device you plug it into should be enough to power it up. And this is our accessory pack. Let's have a look, see what we get. And we have a, what's that? Oh, it's a USB. So it's a USB to mini USB charger. So that's your charger for charging this up. Yep. Plug it in there and a little light comes on. So yep, understand that. What else do we have? Oh, it's an adapter. So it goes from USB to USB. Sorry, rephrase that. It goes from USB Type-C to USB. That's really good, actually. Yeah, quite good. Anything else? Oh, it should be a microphone. That's it. Yeah, it's a microphone. So I will have a measure up on the microphone in case you need to know what the length is. It has a gold connection, which is really nice. Yeah, so that plugs into that, and then that plugs into your phone, and they talk to each other. So what we're going to do now is we are going to do a little test, see how easy it is to install and see how easy it is to set it all up. I might have to charge this up, I don't know, but I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions and I will get back to you. Right, so what we're going to do, we are going to do a couple of tests. We are going to do a recording straight to our phone using record, and we're going to do an indoor one and an outdoor one, and then we're going to plug this in. and see what the difference is in sound quality. So with that, let's get on with it. So press recording. So I am now recording to my phone. As you can see, it's counting down, and when we finish we will just save it as, I don't know, recording 1. So we're just going to do about 15 seconds of recording just to see what the quality is like. I'm about 6 inches away from the actual phone itself, and stop that, go like that, and save it as record 001 then. So that is that done. Now we're going to plug this in. Now something to bear in mind, if you've got a cover on your phone like I have, you might not get a very good connection plugging this in, like so. So if it lights up, you know your connection's fine. So that is fine, and I'm not sure, but we're going to quickly test it, make sure it's either taken over straight away, or you might have to go into the settings. So press record. Right, that is recording straight to that. So to prove the point, I'm going to attach it to my body, and I'm going to walk away. So now I'm standing probably about several feet away, and I'm facing the other way, so my back is to the recording, and hopefully you should hear, hopefully anyway, a better quality sound. So I'm coming back now. Floor's a bit squeaky as well. So that's the second recording. So record save. So that's 2. Now we are going to do the same thing again, but we're going to do it outside. So I am going to go out, and I'm going to use this first. We're going to do it the other way around. So press record. So again, we are recording with the FULAIM microphone, and we're going outside. And we are now outside. It's quite a nice day today. It's really windy yesterday, but today it's totally different. Nice and sunny. It's a little bit of wind, but nothing major. And yeah, right, I am coming back inside. Hopefully, like I said, sound quality should be better. Hopefully, anyway. So, shut my door. Right, what we're going to do another recording. Let me stop this. Save, recording 3. And this time, I'm going to disconnect this. And we're going to take the actual phone outside. So, give me a second. If I can untangle myself. Got 2 mics plugged in at the moment. Right, so now I am recording just on my phone, and I'm outside. What more can I say? So hopefully you can tell the difference. Like I said, I haven't actually listened to it myself, so it'd be interesting to find out if the sound quality is very good. So with that, I'm going to stop this now, and I'm going to let you know what I think of it. Right, I've had a listen, and I thought the sound was a little bit distorted. In other words, you've got too much sound going through the mic, so we are going to make some adjustments. But before we do that, I'm just going to show you how the menu works, and it is really simple to use. So if you want to adjust the bandwidth, or the frequency, whatever you want to call it, all you need to do is press that little button there. So it's quite simple to do. And then that's it, and that will go wherever that one goes, because they're linked together. So that is that sorted out. And if you want to adjust the volume, which we do want to adjust the volume, press this once, and 10 is maximum, and it just cycles through. We're going to put it on number 6, so that's it, and then just leave it, and that will save that to there. So if I press it again, it will show it on 6. So that is how that is. Also, we didn't try out the LCF, low cut filter, so we're going to try that as well. So let me swap over mics and get this little baby on, and we're going to do it again. Right, I've had a little play of it, and I've reduced the volume even more, so I'll put it down to 4, as you can see there. Hopefully the sound quality should be fine. And we've got the LCF turned off at the moment, so I'm going to turn it on. Give it a couple of seconds. Hopefully the sound will improve or not, I don't know, because I'm not sure what it sounds like yet, because I haven't actually listened to it. So that's with the LCF on. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to quickly go outside with the LCF on, and we're going to have a listen to it and then turn it off again. Right, so now I'm outside, and it's raining. It's not raining heavily, but it is raining. So I'm not going to stay out here too long. So this is with the LCF on. Now I'm going to turn the LCF off. So now we've got it turned off. Hopefully the sound will be slightly different. Like I said, I haven't actually listened to it myself, and yeah, I will let you know what I think. So let's get back inside because I'm getting wet. I am recording on this right now, so whatever you hear is coming from this little unit right now. So the quality of sound might be a little bit different to when I'm using my recorder, because my recorder is actually a dedicated recorder, so it records at a higher quality. This is recording to my phone. I'm not sure how good a quality the sound is, so it will sound a little bit different. Also, I have LCF turned on because when I had to listen to it, I found the LCF worked pretty well. I was quite impressed with that, so I've left it on. So that is what you can hear. So yeah, what do I think? Yeah, I like it. I think it's well worth the money. Quality of sound is very good. You will have to mess about with frequency to get the best frequency depending on your environment. I have a lot of electrical goods in this room, and when I went outside I had a bit of interference, as you heard. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm well pleased with it. Does everything it's supposed to do. And look at the size of the thing, it's tiny. Yeah, it's little. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.